transport. Okay, here water transport is the oldest and cheapest form. ये क्या है, ये सबसे cheap है, सस्ता है, because इसका जो fuel consume होता है that is less than the land transport. Okay, and it is the oldest form of the transport and it's the cheapest also. Slow है पर थोड़ा cheap है. Okay, so this water transport it is moving the people as well as goods, मतलब लोगों को भी और गुड्स को भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर पहुंचाना होता है. ओके, जस्ट मूविंग द पीपल एंड गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बाय कैसे? बाय बार्ज, BARG बार्ज, बाय बोट, बाय शिप और बाय सेल बोट. ओवर किस में चलेंगे? सी, ओशियन, लेक, कैनाल, रिवर. Okay, so all these forms they run over sea, ocean, lake, canal and river. Dear children, as I taught you earlier, water transport it is the oldest and the cheapest mode of transport. Yes, it consumes very less fuel comparable to the land transport, and it is the moving people and goods from one part of the country to the other part of the country by barge, boat, ships, cargo ships, sailboat, over sea, oceans, river, lakes, canals. And one more I would like to share with you. In India there are 111 नेशनल वाटरवेज. ठीक है, इंडिया में कितने वाटरवेज हैं? 111. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द बल्की गुड्स. दैट मीन्स इन वाटरवेज लाइक वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट इट इज यूज्ड टू कैरी द बल्की गुड्स. बल्की मतलब हेवी गुड्स टू कैरी फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द मॉडर्न शिप्स. मॉडर्न शिप्स आर यूज्ड टू कैरी ह्यूज कार्गो. बहुत बड़ा कार्गो वो मॉडर्न शिप्स में ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं एंड इट कंज्यूम्स वेरी लेस फ्यूल. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट इट इज द चीपेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द transport and comparable to the land transport. In land transport we are supposed to build the infrastructures like railways, bridges, whereas in waterways there is no need of such expenses. Okay, one more thing to share with you. Roughly 90% of the goods are transported by the sea. Dear children, so let me teach you the 5 types of water transport. The first one is the bulk carriers. Bulk means carrying very huge quantity of goods. Okay, huge goods. Number 2 is the cargo ships. Number 3 it is the container ships. Number 4 tankers, and number 5 it is the barges. Kids, I have taught you the 5 types of water transport. The first one it is a bulk carrier. What is bulk carrier? Bulk means carrying heavy loads. Okay, it is basically a merchant ship. It used to transport the goods from one part of the country to the other part of the country, like grains means anaj, coal matlab koila, ore you know what is ore, then it is the steel coils and the cement. So this bulk carrier carries all these sort of goods in its ship. It is a merchant ship as I have told you, and it transports these goods from one part of the country to the other part of the country. Next is the cargo ships. I told you there are 5 types of water transport. First one is the bulk carriers, cargo ships, container ships, tankers and the barges. Next one it is a cargo ship. This ship helps to carry the goods from one part of the country to the other part of the country. Okay, it carries cargo, goods and materials from one part of the country to the other part of the country. country, and thousands of cargo fly from seas throughout the year. Kids, as I taught you earlier about the cargo ships, it is used to carry the bulky loads from one part of the country to the another part of the country. Bulky means carrying heavy goods. Okay, so there are some types of cargo ships. You can see these are the few types of the cargo ships. One thing to share with you, which is the biggest bulk carrier. It is the MS Whale Brazil. It is the largest built bulk carrier as well as the longest even now recently in service. Dear children, thanks for watching. I hope you are clear with the concept of the chapter 3 transport. Largest ship built ever, it is the Sea-Wise Giant. Okay kids, Sea-Wise Giant is the largest ship ever built. One is the container ship. This is a cargo which carry their load with a truck size equivalent. Okay, and its capacity is about 20-foot unit. Means the container ship, it carries the goods, okay, in a truck size container. And what's the capacity of it? Yes, it is a 20-foot units. Now coming to the tanker ship, this ship is designed to transport or to store liquids or gases in bulk. Okay, the major tank ship includes oil tanker, chemical tanker and the gas tanker, and this tanker ship also carries vegetable oils and wine. Next one, it's a barge ship. What is a barge ship? Yes, it is a flat bottom boat. Okay, it is a flat bottom boat and which is specially built for river and canal transportation of goods. Okay, it is a flat bottom boat. Okay, not a ship, it's a boat, but it is very large, so that's why we told as ship. Okay, built for river and canal transportation of bulk goods. As you know, bulk means carrying heavy or large goods. Dear children, so now coming like how far can a barge travel? Okay, in summer months, मतलब गर्मियों के महीने में between 4 and 7 hours a day, it can travel from 4 to 7 hours a day. एक दिन में 4 से 7 घंटे तक ये ट्रैवल कर सकता है वो barge. Okay, the next is traveling at 3 to 4 mph for 4 hours a day. मतलब एक दिन में 4 घंटे में कितने ट्रैवल करता है? 3 to 4 mph. mph मतलब किलोमीटर और माइल पर आवर. एक घंटे में 3 to 4 किलोमीटर वो पार कर सकता है. It can travel at 3 to 4 kilometers or miles per hour. Okay, that is mph for 4 hours a day. एक घंटे में 3 से 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर ट्रैवल कर सकता है. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 80 to 100 माइल्स इन अ वीक. मतलब एक हफ्ते में 80 से 100 माइल तक बार्ज ट्रैवल कर सकता है. एंड इन 4 आवर्स अ डे, एक दिन में 4 घंटे में 3 to 4 mph. Okay, 3 to 4 kilometers per hour. It can travel for 4 hours in a day. In a week, it is 80 to 100 miles. Dear children, I hope you are clear with the concept of this, like how far it can travel. Dear children, I have taught you like barge. It is a ship and it is the flat bottom ship. Okay, it carries bulky goods. Okay, so now let us learn about how long does the barge can sit in the water, about its depth, about its length and about its width. Okay, now coming here, a standard barge is 35 feet wide. What is the width? It is 35 feet. And how much it is long? It is 195 feet long. So just imagine how big it can can would be? The width is 35 feet and the length is 195 feet. The next one is 12 feet. It is deep. उसका जो depth है वो कितना है? Yes, it is 12 feet and it sinks 9 feet below the surface when loaded. मतलब 9 feet तक वो पानी के अंदर जा सकता है. सिंक मतलब डूबना. पानी के अंदर कितना जा सकता है? 9 feet below the surface when loaded. जब वो लोड होता है with heavy goods, it can sink up to 9 feet below the surface when it is loaded. And how it's pushing through the water like a brick. मतलब जैसे जब वो रन होता है, when it starts sailing, it just push the water. पानी को धकेलते हुए वो ब्रिक जैसे, ईंट जैसे पानी को पुश करते हुए वो आगे की ओर बढ़ता है. ओके, and it is 12 feet depth. Okay, and 9 feet it can sink below the surface when it is loaded. 35 feet width, length is 195 feet. Yes, depth is 12 feet. Correct. And it can sink up to 9 feet. Okay, I hope you have understood like how long can the barge sit on the water. Dear children, I hope you are clear to this concept about the water transport and the 5 types of transport. Okay, thanks for watching. Watch our video and we would provide a homework in the following group, and we will interact you soon in our Zoom online session for your further queries and homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.